Hello, first graders, and welcome to another lesson of Meeting Characters and Learning Lessons. Do you have a dog? Well, I was wondering, since dogs can't talk, how do you know how they're feeling? Oh, they give you clues. A dog's feelings can change often, and it's not always easy to keep track. We can look for signs that tell us how they feel. Then we can take action and do something about it. Well, we know if a dog is wagging his tail, he's probably happy. If a dog is barking, he's probably angry. Or if a dog has his tail low, he might be sad. Well, guess what? Readers can do the same thing. Today, I want to teach you that readers expect a character's feelings to change across the story, and when feelings change, readers take action. They change their reading voices to show each new feeling. I'm going to read the next chapter of our story. Let's notice how the characters' feelings change. Mr. Putter and Tabby drop the ball. Chapter 4, Drop the Ball. Chapter 4, Drop the Ball. The Yankee Doodle Dandies were very nice. They let Mr. Putter and Mrs. Teaberry play right away. Mr. Putter took the outfield. Mrs. Teaberry took shortstop. The batter came up. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. Thought Mr. Putter in the outfield. I could be taking a nap. Well, let's see. How is Mr. Putter feeling? He's probably feeling kind of bored because he's just standing there. So he might say that and change his voice and say that in this way. I could be taking a nap. Another batter came up. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. Swing and a ground ball to second. Mrs. Teaberry leaped into action. She ran for the ball. She reached for the ball. Then, glomp, Zeke got the ball. He was very proud. He ran around in circles. Drop the ball, Zeke, everyone yelled. Zeke did not drop the ball. The other team scored. Oh dear, said Mrs. Teaberry. Oh boy, thought Mr. Putter. All right, let's think about how they're feeling here. I'm thinking the crowd is probably pretty angry because Zeke picked up that ball and he shouldn't have. So their voice might sound like this. Drop the ball, Zeke! And then there's Miss Teaberry. She is probably worried that Zeke has grabbed this ball, so her voice might sound something like this. Oh, dear. Tabby purred in the dugout. Baseball was fun. Well, now try this strategy with one of your own books. Remember that readers notice characters' feelings and change their voice to match. After you finish reading your book, go back and make note of when the characters' feelings change. Then reread it in a different voice. For a challenge, send a video to your teacher to show the different voices. All right, readers, off you go.